tha maitu ni tondu uria gwekeka gutiri undu ungiahota gucokeka na thutha tuhurire dada Sara ruhiru wega.
Mwathani agocwo ringi. Amen. Njitagwo dada Sara kana Wacuguni, ngoragwo ndi muthekania na ndi umwe wa aria turathakaga na Kagema. Tuma na maundu maingi muno, tuma na documentary, tuma twikire nguo no cia costume, no tutigwika uguo ni undu wa matha. Ogwo content creator mungitikira tribute icio tuma nacio ciothe tungithoma imwe peke na ndigacokerwo ithomo imwe. Tungithoma tribute imwe horo cio ti mwega, tuke tuhutie gifungo kimwe tuigue kai twaiganira. Ogwo content creator aria mutigarite ukairugama tigutigara aria muri o guku bado ni muguyukira andu a Ngai mutigiuke aria meho. Tuma andu aingi muno, tuma almost 300 tondu ni turendete Kagema kana wa Cecilia, na otoguo turathie na mbere na kuga wa Cecilia ni kurugamirirwo ni Cecilia kana wa Irimu, na ni tukumunyita guoko ni tuguthie na mbere wega. Ogwo ni ngioria Wanjikũ wa Kairũ wihike haraka uthome tribute ihenya tafadhali. Niaga niki ni ya mkopa niki higirwo Ngai si thimu cihingagwo. Aya uka Njoki wa Ndegwa thome tribute ku Njoki wa Ndegwa. Thank you. Wanjikũ yaku ni twaruga ni undu wa matha.
Mwathani agocwo. Jesu akumio. Njitagwo Njoki wa Ndegwa kana Commander, na ni nguthoma tribute ya mundu gwitwo Kagema kana wa Cecilia. Tribute to my friend wa Cecilia. They say laughter is the shortest distance between two people, and for the few months, that's what me and wa Cecilia were. Two people trying to make the world laugh, one skit at a time. Wa Cecilia had the biggest heart and the boldest ideas. Even in the last days, he was still thinking about content. He told me, let's do something with coffins, something that makes people think and laugh at the same time. That was wa Cecilia. Always creating, always pushing, never afraid to go there. Today, wa Cecilia is in a coffin and my heart is broken. But I promise I will remember him the way he lived. Loud, funny, full of ideas and full of love for the people. To those who don't understand that, last video, it wasn't disrespect. It was his idea. I remember him analyzing the content and he said, Commander, gukorwo ngihetuka na we ujite. Karibu customer, na niĩ ndoka ngurume. And then we laughed before shooting it. Little did I know that it was God calling you home. It was art, the way he saw it. It was us doing what we always did, turning hard things into laughter. Rest easy, my friend wa Cecilia. The stage is quiet without you, but your jokes still echo in me. I'll keep creating and I'll carry you in every punchline. We love you wa Cecilia. We will miss you. Rest in peace.
Thank you. Aya tumuhure makofi mega ni kwiyumia. Wa Kairũ uka uheane speech yaku briefly. Okay. Githua man. Ndagika imwe.
Muriega tiri no ndu tukuga tondu njira no yo wenda gicoka tukamukora. So rest in peace creator.
Thank you. Dakika ciakwa ni cigana mutungatiri Cege? Ni ciathira? Bwana u sehemu yangu, rafiki yangu wewe, katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe, katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe, niongoze safarini, nichukue kwa mbinguni, niwe pamoja, pamoja katika safari yangu tatembea, we pamoja, we pamoja katika safari yangu tatembea. Thank you. Huruka, huruka, huroko horo kwendete, huruka, huruko horo kaienda, no tukonana kuiguru. Bye 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 bye, huruka huruko horo, huruko horo konana tukonana kuiguru.
Tuwapigie makofi. Nitumahurira iruhiro wega. That is a great family. Na tuli na ngatho kureo ni undu even during the process ya macakaya kuria Blue Springs na hindi ciothe turamabataraga they were available under the leadership of Dada Sarah na wa Cairo na wa Joy. In fact, Dada Sarah ni warari vice chairman wa committee, nake wa Cairo ari coordinator witu. So appreciate them again. Jetago Reverend Sir, my lord archbishops and bishops, all protocols observed na family ya Maitu. Nundu wa go save time, akorwo wi mutongoria uthuritwo kana urenda guthurwo, otiga uri utumirwo ni mubunge witu, the rest please rugama ina iguru. Ni urarugama giti temoto mufe atabe gaka enda igwa msupa mundu wothe urarugama giti kana uthuritwo o haria mari tugeithie yuguo oguo o mwena uria muri na gitikira murenda watoropikia president. Asante mujetikiria ikarai thi na gitio. We appreciate your support thiini wa groove na thiini wa macakaya na igongona riri na ona guka kwanyu. Ngai amurathime. Tukumuhoera ite icio muretha, Ngai amuhe tondu niwe uheanaga. Ithue ni tugeragia nginya kumwaririria ona ringi tugathi nginya karau. Tugacoka tugeka atia tukainuka uguo tutarike eturi asine na tuma na musina. In fact my archbishop ndukagere njira iyo wamenya ndatwarire nginya hanyu mucii ngitwara muringiti na gas iyo. My archbishop ni ngugira na gun uguo atongoria itu. Ngai amurathime muno na tondu mundu wa gutugeithia on behalf of the other leaders ni uri otumirwo ni muheshimiwa mubunge wa guku. Mujitikiria tanoka njokia ngatho ici on behalf ya family ya Maitu na committee iri ratongoragio ni mtume Peter wa Gatanga mena Dada Sarah. Tucokie ngatho cia mwanya kuri mutongoria o wothe na njira o ciothe urokire gutunyitirira na indo ciake na mahinda make. Na wa mbere ngatho citũ cia mwanya kũrĩ the president of this country Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, mena munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki na abunge kĩhĩri tondũ maratũmanire macakaya-inĩ, maratũma Mheshimiwa Dennis Itumbi na ona arĩa me ngurubu-inĩ nĩ moĩ president nĩ mũrata wa Karangũ mũno, mena munini wake matinarekia family ĩno, na tiria mbere ona hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ they stood with his family. Koguo ngatho icio tucokie kuri atongoria itwothe aria matanoka, aria me mitandao-ini maratwirorera. May God bless you, we love you so much. Ndikuriganirwo ni gitungati 00 ni Nyandarua 001 gitungati Mheshimiwa tenewe oyo newe oyo o newe gitungati oka azareke nguni oke muvea oyo newe gitungati ni mareka inde mwere my bishops bas asante thiaria gitungati ugeithie archbishop thuthi hau ucio ni wakwanyu ucio arugama ithenya-ini ria methu ndinamenya uria hagithie na no matirakienja itungati ithirenda twiri ni uguo riu asante ni uguo ikara haria ni tugukune kindu ndugithie haria githe ti ndagwita asante oka na ndukenje njuiri itungati itienja